Hi all, my name is Jesse Bloothoofd and I work as a scientist innovator in the wind energy department of TNO, which is the Dutch organization for applied sciences. I will be speaking at the 4th annual Offshore Wind Operations and Maintenance Forum on combining a novel motion sickness model developed for the automotive industry with an operational offshore wind operations and maintenance planner tool. I will share some insights on why we care about motion sickness, the possible effects of these operations, and why this motion sickness model was developed and what advantages it brings over traditional motion sickness models. Additionally, I will provide insights in the results of a proof of concept case study. I'm really looking forward to discussing this work with all of you. I hope I can provide you with some interesting insights in motion sickness and its implications on O&M. Moreover, coming from a desktop in an office, I would love to hear and learn about your experiences related to motion sickness in O&M planning. Please join my session on the 11th of March and see you then.